quick rundown of how I created this Martha Washington sewing cabinet. I started by applying resin molds to the sides of the cabinet. This one is called Country Blossom and it is from Prima. Next, I gave it a coat of Daydream paint and smoked out. This is a clay-based paint and this paint piece was previously painted, so I didn't have to prime. Then I went ahead and I blended the entire Old World collection over it. If you go on my website, it's all the colors I used are under Old World, so they're all listed there, but I'll show you a picture of them after this. I did this blending process twice and I didn't like the way it turned out, so I went ahead and went over it with just watered down paint, which means I just took a color, I put a ton of water with it after this blended look was dry, and I just dripped the color over the piece of furniture until it kind of blended in. And you're gonna see here how that process looks. After I did the watered down look, what you're seeing here, all that dark, is glaze. I just glazed over that paint, and this really gives it a really deep look. And then I highlighted all of these flowers with a little bit of Eternal Decor Wax just to make them look like the sunshine was hitting their petals. You can really see the depth. This piece is awesome because every angle you look at it, you're seeing different colors. So I'm gonna give you a little tour around the sides and then I'll finish this video off with some pictures so you can